Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Akbar Fariansah and my student number is A32022400042 and I'm from class B and this is final exam standardized IELTS speaking. So let's get started. Question for part 1. I'm currently a student at University Muhammadiyah of Surakarta and right now I'm studying English education. Ultimately, I made the final decision myself, but I discussed with my parents and teachers to get their perspective. I think I'm fairly good at it, so I can sometimes overthink smaller choices for important matters. I try to be throughout and logical. Most of the time, yes. I don't believe there always one right decision, so I focus on making the best choice with the information I have at the time. I think it's perfectly normal and sometimes wise. Changing your mind shows you're adaptable and willing to reconsider when you get new information. Next to part 2. I'd like to talk about learning to play the drums. If you know drums, which is a skill I picked up during my final year of high school and have continued to practice ever since. The skill is drumming, not just hitting drums, but keeping rhythm, learning different beats, and playing along with the music. I decided to learn because I'd always been fascinated by percussion in songs, and I wanted a creative outlet to relieve stress during a busy exam period. So I start by watching online tutorials on YouTube, which taught me basic rhythms and how to hold the stick properly. After a few weeks, I joined a school music club where a senior student gave me tips. Later, I invested in a practice pad and eventually I used drum set. I practice almost every day, starting with a simple rock beats and gradually learning more complex patterns. This skill has been incredibly useful in several ways. First, it becomes a great stress reliever. Whenever I felt overwhelmed, playing drums helped clear my mind. Second, it improved my focus and coordination, which actually helped me in sport and studies. Sorry. And third, it gave me a way to connect with others. I've joined jam session with friends who play guitar and piano and even performed at a small school event which really boosted my confidence. So learning drums wasn't just about a music. It taught me a discipline, gave me a way to express myself and helped me build social connection. It's a skill I'm really glad I took the time to learn. Question part 3. While having options is generally positive, what psychologists call choice overload can actually make decision making more stressful with endless information available. online and so many alternatives in every area of life, from careers to products. People can become paralyzed by fear of making the wrong choice or constantly wonder if something better exists. Yes, significantly different. Previous generation often had more predetermined paths regarding careers, relationships, and lifestyles. Today's youth face more complex decisions about digital identities, global career opportunities, and navigating rapidly changing social norms. Sorry. They also have to make a serious decision about issues like climate change and technology use that simply didn't exist for earlier generation. Seeking advice provides several key advantages. First, it offers different perspective you might have missed. Second, people with more experience can help you avoid common pitfalls. Third, discussing these decisions with others help clarify your own thinking. And finally, when others are involved in or affected by your decision, getting their output build understanding and support for whatever you choose. I believe several factors contribute to this. So, some people naturally tolerate uncertainty better, allowing them to decide without needing perfect information. Experience plays a huge role. People who've made many decisions to learn patterns and develop better judgment. Emotional regulation is a key to those who can separate emotion from facts tend to decide more effectively. And also, people with a clear personal values have a consistent framework for evaluating options. Okay, I partially agree. While we certainly learn profound lessons learned from our mistake, I don't believe they are the only way to learn. We can learn through observation, instruction, and studying other experience too. However, mistakes often create the most memorable and deeply internalized lessons because they come with emotional weight. The key is creating an environment where people feel safe to make and learn from mistake rather than being paralyzed by fear of failure. Well, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.